Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is knight f3,
Knight f6,
c, sword,
c6,
d, sword,
d5,
a3,
bishop f5,
knight c3,
e6,
knight h, sword,
bishop e4,
f3,
bishop g6,
bishop d2,
knight b d7,
queen b3,
queen b6,
castle's queenside,
bishop e7,
d, sword,
castle's queenside,
c5,
queen captures on b3,
a, captures on b3,
knight e8,
bishop a1,
knight c7,
b, sword,
a6,
knight a2,
rook d8,
knight captures on d6,
h captures on g6,
f, sword,
knight f6,
d5,
knight g4,
king d2,
knight captures on h2,
bishop d2,
f5,
knight c1,
knight g4,
knight d3,
rook h5,
bishop d3,
rook eh8,
rook h1,
E5.
D8. Captures on A5.
Rook 5, H7.
Bishop F3.
Knight H2.
Bishop A2.
Knight E6.
Well, A1.
King D7.
Knight F2.
Bishop D8.
King C3.
Bishop C7.
Well, G2.
A5.
Well, H1.
Knight G4.
Well, captures on H7.
A captures on B4. Check.
King captures on D store.
Rook captures on H7.
Knight captures on G store.
F captures on G4.
Bishop captures on G store.
King E7.
Well, G1.
Rook H8.
Well, A1.
Bishop B8.
Bishop A1.
Rook E8.
Bishop C3.
Rook H8.
Bishop captures on A6.
King captures on E6.
Well, A8.
Rook D8.
King A store.
Rook F8.
D store.
Rook D8.
D5.
Rook C8.
Bishop A5.
D4.
A captures on D store.
King D5.
Bishop B6. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.